Ladies and gentlemen, today is week 4, day 3. We could have done a lot more training this week, but it's been quite busy. Today's video, we're going for a run. Alright, my running app has been turned on, and so has my music. So let's go get it. We're actually going to run on the main road. That should give us some more light and safety. You know, I don't want to get jumped running through the streets of Woodridge. Right, first kilometer done. Also our first stop, just to tie my shoelaces, yeah? That's the only reason why I'm stopping. First kilometer, got that done in about 5.5 minutes. I don't know how long this run is gonna be, but I'm just gonna keep running down this main road. Let's go! Second stop, waiting to cross the road at a busy intersection. And that last segment, since the last stop, was done in 6 minutes. So that was 870 meters. 6 minutes for 870 meters. We're sitting at 18 minutes and we just passed the 2.5 kilometer mark. We're almost up to the part where we need to turn around to go back home. So I'll see you guys when we get there. We've reached our turning point, the site of the old Bloodline studio. It was this very car park that I did a lot of training way back in 2020. That was the closest I had ever been to returning to rugby. What you're seeing on screen is what I used to look like. Now, I'm having a look at this place. Bloodline moved. They're down at Crestmead now. But I did a lot of training here with the squad. And now it's time to get back out there. Start to run home. We're at 3.76 kilometers. Going up a hill right now. Also sitting at 28 minutes for this run. You know what's bothering me? My feet are burning. Woo! Because the shoes are hot. Wow. And I'm finally starting to feel a stitch now. Woo! Oh. We're at our 4th stop. Same intersection. The gym closed at 12 p.m. today because today is a weekend. We were supposed to train our back in this video, but unfortunately that's not happening. But we still need to get some work in, so we're going on this run. Here we go, the light's about to turn green. Never mind. All right. Hey. Little update. I don't feel a stitch anymore. Probably because of that rest. But we probably have about 2 kilometers to go. Woo! Another stop. We are setting at 4.77 kilometers at 38 minutes. Woo! Once we get to the end of that street, or the beginning of that street, we'll start running again. But man, my right shoe is burning. Feels so thin. The shoe feels so thin. All right, gotta run again. Bit dark for this clip, but I am walking again. But we've almost made it up to our last turn to get off the main road. Here we go. Not gonna stop till we get home. We are at 5.3 kilometers and 42 minutes into this run. This is the last light we're gonna get before I turn into the streets. Just for fun, I'm gonna sprint for the rest of the way. Oh, man. Almost there, but I had to stop. All right, we made it. 5.97 kilometers and 42 minutes. First run done in a long time, so I'm happy with that. There were moments where we had a good pace for quite a while, then we would stop, pick it back up, and then when we got to the turning point, it was that uphill battle that I slowed my pace down, and from then on it was kind of hard. It was actually a bit interesting because I ended up picking up my pace again, having those little cycles of good pace and then slow pace, and then when I got to the end, I challenged myself to sprint all the way home. Almost got there. We're probably 60-70 meters away from getting there. Oh, but that was intense. Good workout. I'm keen for this next week to come, week 5. This session was brought to you by Rocky. When Gonna Fly Now started playing, man, the combination of that song and this shirt, it really made me, you know? Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.